Hi, my name's Dave Jones. I work for Lightware Visual Engineering and we're at ISE 2016. I'd like to talk to you today about a new matrix that we're shipping. It's our 6x2 matrix for HDMI and HDBaseT. The concept's relatively simple. We have 6 inputs, 2 of which are HDBaseT, 4 of which are HDMI. We have 2 outputs, which can be either HDBaseT, HDMI, or both. And it's a true matrix in as far as those 2 outputs can be routed from any of the inputs. We've also got 4 separate audio inputs and separate audio outputs so that you can manage embedding and de-embedding as you see fit. Probably the coolest thing about this matrix is that we've incorporated a software suite called our Event Manager. The concept of that is relatively simple. We want to make everything as automated as it can be. If you have a relatively simple small meeting room scenario, then you can have this matrix, set up some events within the software, and hopefully the idea is you don't need any kind of control system. As an example, I can set the matrix. If I were to plug in a certain input to the matrix, let's say I plug in a laptop, then that can send a trigger to lots of different outputs. Perhaps I want that trigger to send the video to output number 1. I could also say I want to switch the screen that's connected to output number 1 on. I could say that I want the lighting within the room to go up or perhaps to be dimmed through a GPIO or RS232 port. And by the same token, if I then unplugged it, I could set the matrix to switch off the screen, switch off the lights, or bring the lights back up again after a certain amount of time, perhaps a 1-2 minute delay. So the concept's pretty simple. We want you to be able to connect anything and for certain things to happen once you've connected it that mean that you don't require any kind of push-button controller or touchscreen. If you'd like to find out anything more about this product, then please feel free to visit our website. It's www.lightware.eu.